Work from home, pwede sa estudyante, pwedeng part-time, pwedeng full-time, most likely flexible, at pwede sa hindi magaling mag-English. Hi, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video, so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. For today, sagutin natin yung question na napakatagal na talaga sa nakasave lang siya, hindi ko pa nababalikan. Binabalikan ko silang lahat ngayon. Hopefully, makatapos ako ng marami-rami. So, pag maraming nalabas na, habang intro, anyway, hindi ko naman basa yung pangalan niya kasi VJC, JC, FH, parang ginawa lang niya yan. Paano po pag hindi magaling sa English? Pag hindi magaling sa English, pag-aralan. Because it still helps na marunong kang umintindi at nakakapagsalita ka, nakakapag-communicate ka with your client in English. However, let me give you some of the positions na pwede nyong targetin kung hindi talaga kayo kagalingan pa sa English ngayon pero gusto nyo na sana magkatrabaho. One more thing, this is a niche na lalakas ngayon because holiday season na. And I'm talking about no other than our Amazon class. Ano nga ba ang Amazon Virtual Assistant? Pretty simple. Ang Amazon is an e-commerce platform, meaning para siyang yung mga platforms na nagsha-shopping tayo, pero usong-uso siya ngayon is sa US, at saka sa Canada, at saka sa UK, at saka saan pa nga ba? Dahil nga mag-holiday na, itong mga businesses na to, nangangailangan na sila ng tulong sa iba't ibang departamento ng kanilang business. Number one na doon is yung pag-research ng product na mabenta this year. Pangalawa, kailangan nila ng support. Pangatlo, kailangan nila ng tao sa fulfillment. Pang-apat, kailangan nila ng someone who would be able to assist them sa kanilang day-to-day transactions. So, maraming positions ang available, maraming positions ang opening because again, ito yung niche na lumalakas kapag holiday season, which is e-commerce. Now, if you guys are interested, we have an Amazon class coming up next Saturday and Sunday, 2 araw to. Kasi level 3 siya. So, yung class is from 8 a.m. till 12 noon. Tapos, after ng 2 days na live session, you guys will have internship, meaning magkakaroon kayo ng mga tasks na ginagawa ng tunay na or nag-start na or yung mga Amazon virtual assistants na. So, live yung inyong pag-aaralan. Now, one of the challenges that we're getting right now is that yung mentor namin, which is si Den, she wants to be able to have each and all of her mentees ng access dun sa isang system na ginagamit. We're trying to work on that. Hopefully, ma-resolve namin. But at the moment, we're working on sharing accounts lang muna. So, yun pa lang yun. The mere fact that yung coach, yung mentor natin is really doing her best. She's very hands-on when it comes to yung experience ng mga mentee niya. Feeling ko, dun pa lang panalo na. Eto pa, 999 pesos lang lahat ng na-mention ko. So, replay natin ha. 2 days na live, 2 weeks na internship. You guys will have access to application book live. You guys will also have mock interview with me bago pa kayo i-certify. So, yung lahat ng yon 999 pesos lang. The class is on November 18 and 19, 8 till 12 noon. If you guys are interested to join, punta lang kayo sa link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, makikita nyo na dyan sa paid classes, yung Amazon Level 3, 999. Pag clinic nyo yan, makikita nyo na kagad doon yung form, ano yung course outline, and process. Na rin yung mismong form na i-fill out ninyo if you guys want to join. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!